The main water sources for water purification stations in the Kaohsiung area come from Chengcing Lake Reservoir, Agongdian Reservoir, Fongshan Reservoir, Nanhua Reservoir, and the Gaoping River Weir. These sources provide raw water to Chengcing Lake Water Purification Station, Lujhu Water Purification Station, Fongshan Water Purification Station, Pingding Water Purification Station, Wonggongyuan Water Purification Station, and Kaotan Water Purification Station to supply municipal and industrial water for the Kaohsiung area. In the Pingding area, public water supply in northern Pingding is mainly provided by the Pingding Water Purification Station, which utilizes groundwater to meet the water needs of the region. In southern Pingding, the Mudan Water Purification Station, using both Mudan Reservoir and groundwater, supplies the water demands of the southern region. Additionally, due to the significant rainfall differences between the wet and dry seasons in southern Taiwan, a pipeline connecting the Nanhua Reservoir and the Gaoping River Weir was completed in 2003 to stabilize water supply from the weir, with a designed supply capacity of 800,000 cubic meters per day. The main water purification stations in the Kaohsiung-Pingtung area include Chengcing Lake Water Purification Station, Lujhu Water Purification Station, Fongshan Water Purification Station, Pingding Water Purification Station, Wonggongyuan Water Purification Station, Kaotan Water Purification Station, Mudan Water Purification Station, and Pingding Water Purification Station. Additionally, the Gaoping Water Purification Station, which uses groundwater, also contributes to supplying water to more than 3 million residents in the Kaohsiung-Pingtung area. Kaohsiung alone has a water-consuming population of approximately 2.6 million people. According to data from the Taiwan Water Corporation in 2017, the total output of the Kaohsiung water supply system was about 1.99 million cubic meters per day, including 560,000 cubic meters per day from Pingding Water Purification Station, 420,000 cubic meters per day from Chengcing Lake Water Purification Station, 200,000 cubic meters per day for municipal water, and 350,000 cubic meters per day for industrial water from Fongshan Water Purification Station, 170,000 cubic meters per day from Kaotan Water Purification Station, 120,000 cubic meters per day from Lujhu Water Purification Station, 30,000 cubic meters per day from Wonggongyuan Water Purification Station, and 140,000 cubic meters per day from other stations. In the Pingding area, which has a population of about 600,000 people, the total output of the water supply system is approximately 200,000 cubic meters per day. The Pingding Water Purification Station provides 100,000 cubic meters per day from groundwater, while the Mudan Water Purification Station provides another 100,000 cubic meters per day from Mudan Reservoir and groundwater. Chengcing Lake, originally named Dapi, is located in Nyasong District, Kaohsiung City. During the Japanese colonial period, water was drawn from the Gaoping River, and through the Chaogong Canal, it was diverted into Chengcing Lake Reservoir to supply industrial water to the Shijia area of Kaohsiung. The daily water output was less than 10,000 cubic meters per day. In 1952, the government invested in reconstruction and expansion of the water supply facilities and completed a dam for the reservoir. The reservoir was first renamed to Dai Bay Lake, and its daily water output increased to 40,000 cubic meters per day. In January 1965, the reservoir was renamed Chengcing Lake Reservoir to align with the naming of Changqing Pavilion. The main facilities of Chengcing Lake Reservoir include an earthen dam with a crest height of 19 meters, a free overflow spillway with a maximum discharge capacity of 7.7 cubic meters per second, a water intake point located on the north side of the rapid sand filter building at the Chengcing Lake Water Treatment Plant, drawing water through a 0.6 meter diameter pipeline to the purification station. Intake works on the north side of the Advanced Water Purification Plant, drawing water from the Gaoping River Weir. An outflow structure located north of Dayu Building, equipped with a lift gate, with a maximum discharge capacity of 11.56 cubic meters per second. Chengcing Lake enjoys excellent natural conditions and well-maintained soil and water conservation. Its picturesque scenery of lakes and mountains has attracted tourists since 1955, earning it the reputation of being Taiwan's premier scenic spot. The Chengcing Lake Water Purification Station, located in Nanhua District, was originally established to meet the demand for industrial water during the Japanese colonial period. It was known as the Kaohsiung Industrial Water Treatment Plant, the first water plant in Taiwan specifically set up for industrial water supply. After the war, it was renamed the Kaohsiung Industrial Water Supply Engineering Office in 1947, and its machinery was repaired to resume water supply. In 1963, in line with the renaming of Chengcing Lake, the facility was renamed the Taiwan Provincial Chengcing Lake Industrial Water Plant. In 1974, the government established the Taiwan Water Corporation, and Chengcing Lake was placed under the jurisdiction of the company's 7th branch. In 2003, it was transformed into an advanced water purification plant, pioneering the use of nano-grade advanced water purification equipment. The water source is drawn from the Gaoping River Weir, with water pumped into Chengcing Lake Reservoir. The station has a designed output of 450,000 cubic meters per day. The water purification facilities at Chengcing Lake Water Purification Station include pre- and post-ozone contact chambers, pulsed flocculation clarifier, sedimentation tanks, crystallization softening reaction tanks, new rapid sand filters, existing rapid sand filters, biological activated carbon filter beds, clear water reservoirs, and wastewater treatment facilities. The primary function of the pre- and post-ozone contact chambers is to oxidize and remove manganese from the water, inhibit the growth of algae, enhance and improve sedimentation rates, and reduce pathogens and bacteria in the water. The newly installed pulsed flocculation clarifier uses gravity to slowly settle suspended solids in the raw water. Coagulants are added to accelerate the sedimentation of suspended solids. The crystallization softening reaction tank reduces the hardness of tap water by removing calcium and magnesium, lowering water hardness, reducing equipment wear during heating, and enhancing the effectiveness of detergents, thereby reducing detergent use. The rapid sand filter removes suspended particles from the water. The principle involves using filter materials within the tank, which consist of layers of anthracite and quartz sand. A regular and systematic backwashing process removes suspended particles from the water. The biological activated carbon filter bed is mainly used to remove residual pesticides, reduce carcinogenic substances, and eliminate microscopic bacteria from the water. The water purification process at Chengcing Lake Water Purification Station starts with drawing water from Chengcing Lake. After passing through the pre-ozone contact chamber, the water enters the flocculation clarifier and crystallization softening reaction tank to clarify the water. The clarified water is then sent to the rapid sand filters for filtration. Finally, residual materials in the water are removed by the biological activated carbon filter bed, after which the water is stored in the clear water reservoir and distributed to urban areas for public use. Chengcing Lake Water Purification Station primarily supplies public water to the greater Kaohsiung area. Agongdian Reservoir is located at the junction of Yanqiao District, Gangshan District, and Tianlia District in Kaohsiung City, with its water source drawn from the upper reaches of the Agongdian River. Construction began during the Japanese colonial period in 1942 and was completed in 1953, making it the reservoir with the longest construction time in Taiwan, spanning 12 years. Agongdian Reservoir is also Taiwan's only multi-purpose reservoir that prioritizes flood control while also serving agricultural irrigation and public water supply. The designed water intake capacity of Agongdian Reservoir for public water supply is 20.45 million cubic meters. However, due to severe siltation and pollution in the watershed, the reservoir temporarily ceased public water supply. In late 2005, water storage was restored, and the reservoir was reopened in June 2006, with its main function being to provide water for the Lujhu Water Purification Station. The dam of Agongdian Reservoir is a rolled-fill earthen dam with a total length of about 2.38 kilometers, once the longest in the Far East, and remains the longest dam in Taiwan. The spillway of Agongdian Reservoir features a trumpet-shaped vertical shaft design, with the spillway utilizing a patio-type vortex outlet that discharges water through an underground pipeline tunnel to the Agongdian River. The distinctive trumpet-shaped structure protruding from the water is a notable feature. To align with the government's 2025 nuclear-free homeland energy policy, a floating solar power system has been installed in the reservoir area of Agongdian Reservoir. The Lujhu Water Purification Station was constructed in 2008, drawing its water source from the Agongdian Reservoir, with a designed output capacity of 120,000 cubic meters per day. The station primarily addresses the water needs of the Kaohsiung Science Park of the Southern Taiwan Science Park. When there is surplus water, it is coordinated with excess water from the Nanhua Reservoir to meet the municipal water demands of nearby townships. The Lujhu Water Purification Station is one of the most important stations in northern Kaohsiung, significantly contributing to the region's economic development and meeting public water needs. The water purification facilities at Lujhu Water Purification Station include a raw water regulation basin, primary settling tank, water distribution well, coagulation basin, flocculation basin, sedimentation tank, rapid sand filter, clear water reservoir, wastewater basin, sludge thickener, and sludge detention tank. The water purification process at Lujhu Water Purification Station starts by drawing raw water from the Agongdian Reservoir. The water is conveyed through pipelines to the raw water regulation basin at the station for regulation, then sent to the primary settling tank. After sedimentation, the water is directed through the water distribution well to the coagulation basin for treatment. It then passes through the flocculation basin and sedimentation tank, followed by filtration through the rapid sand filter. The purified water is stored in the clear water reservoir and distributed to the Southern Taiwan Science Park to provide both industrial and municipal water. In the early stages, the water source for municipal use at Fongshan Water Purification Station came from the Gaoping River, with water drawn from the Gaoping River Weir pumping station and sent to the Fongshan Water Purification Station via the Xiaoming pumping station. The Fongshan Reservoir, on the other hand, is the most important source of industrial water supply for the greater Kaohsiung area. Fongshan Reservoir was completed and opened in June 1982. Approximately 3/4 of the reservoir is located in Shaojiang District, Kaohsiung City, with the remainder in Linyuan District, and the main gate located in Daliu District. The dam site is located at the southeastern foothills of the Fongshan Hills, at the junction of Shaojiang, Linyuan, and Daliu districts in Linyai village. The reservoir is named after Fongshan due to its location. It is an off-stream reservoir with its water sources from Donggang River and Gaoping River through Trans-Basin Water Diversion. The reservoir covers an area of 74.9 hectares, with a storage capacity of 8.7 million cubic meters, primarily providing water for the Fongshan Water Purification Station. The main facilities of Fongshan Reservoir include the Donggang River Weir, which is a floating overflow weir, the main dam, which is a layered rolled fill and zoned earthen dam, the auxiliary dam, an unzoned earthen dam, the spillway, which is a side channel overflow type without gates, the intake works, which uses a nearshore inclined chute type sliding gate. Fongshan Water Purification Station was constructed in 1977 in 2 phases. The first phase, the Municipal Water Treatment System, began construction in October 1977 and was completed in May 1980. The second phase, the Industrial Water Treatment System, was completed in June 1985, and advanced water purification processes were added in 2004. Due to the instability of the Gaoping River's water, Donggang River was originally used only for industrial water supply. In 2014, a pre-treatment project was implemented for Donggang River's raw water, creating biological filters to purify ammonia, nitrogen, and organic materials in the water. After treatment, the raw water is further purified at the water purification station and can then be supplied as municipal water. After the expansion of the Fongshan Water Purification Station, its capacity for municipal water treatment increased to 300,000 cubic meters per day, and industrial water treatment capacity to 400,000 cubic meters per day. The water purification facilities at Fongshan Water Purification Station include grit removal tanks, flocculation clarifiers, sedimentation tanks, rapid sand filters, crystallization softening tanks, ozone contact tanks, activated carbon filters, activated carbon filter beds, contact filters, clear water reservoirs, sand filters, wastewater basins, sludge thickeners, and sludge drying beds. The municipal water purification process at Fongshan Water Purification Station involves drawing raw water from the Gaoping River Weir, which is pumped through the Xiaoming pumping station and into the purification station. The water undergoes grit removal, flocculation and sedimentation, crystallization softening, ozonation, and activated carbon filtration. After chlorination, the water is stored in the Clear Water Reservoir and distributed to Saigang District, Xianjin District, and Sijin District for residential use. The industrial water purification process at Fongshan Water Purification Station starts with raw industrial water sourced from the Donggang River. The water is first stored in Fongshan Reservoir and then pumped to the contact filters, followed by the sedimentation tanks. After being filtered through the rapid sand filters, the purified water is stored in the Clear Water Reservoir. The water is then distributed by gravity to the Linhai Industrial Park and Xianjin Processing Zone to meet the industrial water needs of these areas. The public water supply in the Kaohsiung area is primarily sourced from Chengcing Lake Reservoir, Agongdian Reservoir, Fongshan Reservoir, the Gaoping River Weir, and Nanhua Reservoir. Since the completion of Chengcing Lake, not only has its picturesque scenery attracted numerous tourists, but the Chengcing Lake Water Purification Station has also provided public water to the greater Kaohsiung area for more than 6 decades. During this time, the purification station has continuously expanded its advanced water purification units, ensuring the supply of high-quality municipal water for the region. Lujhu Water Purification Station has provided stable industrial water to the Kaohsiung Science Park of the Southern Taiwan Science Park, fostering the growth of the technology sector. Meanwhile, Fongshan Water Purification Station plays a critical role in meeting both the municipal and industrial water needs of the area. In the next episode, we will introduce other key water sources in the Kaohsiung-Pingtung area, including the Gaoping River Weir, Pingding Water Purification Station, Wonggongyuan Water Purification Station, Kaotan Water Purification Station, Mudan Reservoir, Mudan Water Purification Station, and Pingding Water Purification Station. Stay tuned.